Want some simple Valentine's craft ideas but don't want to pay out for expensive resources? Well, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to use materials that are always left over in the craft box. Let's have a look. Paints, glitter, pencils, cardboard, paper. Whatever setting you're in, making these two crafts is absolutely easy. So let's take a look.
For this super simple card, all you will need is glue, some scissors, a ruler and some cardboard. Any extra ribbon and glue and glitter is up to you. So take some cardboard and all you're going to do is simply fold down the side of it and draw half a heart. That's it, just half a heart. Cut them out. Then it's up to you if you would like to draw more hearts on different coloured cardboard. Then cut the hearts out and stick them on the card and fold one half up so it's a 3D effect. Next you can draw stems, you can draw leaves and you can add a ribbon just like I have. There you go, nice and easy. For our next card, this will be really helpful if you have children that are learning different words or learning to write and spell. Get your child to write as many words as they can think of about the special person they want to give the card to. Once they have written out all the words, simply cut them out into little tiny heart shapes and stick them inside the card. I've gone for a slight twist on the traditional card here. Write a lovely message inside, fold up the card. Again, you can fasten it with a ribbon if you want to, and craft number 2.
Thank you for watching and have a lovely Valentine's Day. Goodbye!
If you would like more craft ideas or information, why not look at the Twinkl main website? Simply search for Twinkl Crafts and you will find an abundance of wonderful creations just for you. You can simply search for the month or the theme to find any ideas you like.